Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I begin my presentation, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Meti Kusmiati. Today, I would present about the activity of Lingzi, Ganoderma lucidum, mushroom Tasikmalaya, typical ethanol extract, activity towards reduction of blood glucose level in mice, musculus, Swiss Webster strain. This research is done with myself, Meti Kusmiati. I am from School of Technology Laboratory Medik, Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Kesehatan Bakti Tunas Husada Tasikmalaya, Jawa Barat, Indonesia. I Nyoman Pugek Arianta from School of Life Sciences and Technology, Institut Teknologi Bandung, Jawa Barat, Indonesia. Rianti Nurpala and Husnul from School of Technology Laboratory Medik, Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Kesehatan, Bakti Tunas Husada Tasikmalaya, Jawa Barat, Indonesia, and Tutus Kusdinar Kartawinata, Department of Pharmacochemistry, School of Pharmacy, Institut Teknologi Bandung, Jawa Barat, Indonesia. Introduction, my research. Diabetes mellitus is a degenerative disease and has become a world health problem. It can be seen from the map as the Riskesdas Basic Health Research, Indonesian Health Department Research, show the 10 countries in number of people with diabetes. The number of people with diabetes prevalence rise up in Indonesia. The prevalence and incidence of this disease have increased drastically from year to year. Lingzi, Ganoderma lucidum mushroom, is currently widely cultivated in Indonesia and is empirically known to be effective in various kinds of medicine, healthcare, and beauty. One of the uses of Lingzi mushrooms is to reduce blood glucose, anti-diabetes. The hypoglycemic activity of Lingzi is associated with an increase in the plasma insulin hormone. This study aimed to identify and seek the most effective concentration percent of Lingzi mushroom extract typical of Tasikmalaya to decrease blood glucose level in male Swiss Webster strain male mice. Method research, material preparation, and then determination of Lingzi mushroom. Production of Lingzi mushroom ethanol extract, identification of chemical compounds, solution preparation, induction of diabetes in experimental animals, Lingzi mushroom anti-diabetic test, and blood sampling in mice. Okay, material preparation. Lingzi mushroom Ganoderma lucidum in a fresh state was washed with running water until clean and free of dirt and then drained. The clean leaves were then dried in an oven at 40 derajat Celsius. And then determination of Lingzi mushroom. The determination of the Lingzi mushroom was carried out at the Bandung Herbarium Biology Study Program, Padjadjaran University, Bandung. Production of Lingzi mushroom ethanol extract. 100 grams of Lingzi mushroom powder was extracted using 50% ethanol solvent by the maceration method. Okay, this Lingzi mushroom, and then mashed Lingzi mushroom and maceration result. Okay, identification of chemical compounds, polysaccharides. The percent of polysaccharides in the extract was identified by the iodine test. Triterpenoids. The test was carried out using Lieberman budget reagent. Solution preparation. The concentration of CMC 1% solution was prepared by dissolving 1 gram of natrium CMC little by little in hot distilled water while stirring at a volume of 100 ml of distilled water. Glibenclamide suspension with a concentration of 0.74% was prepared by suspending HT 0.5 milligram of glibenclamide with 1% to 25 milli natrium CMC solution. Induction of diabetes in experimental animals. On the first day before treatment, all mice fasted for 12 hours. Then their fasting blood glucose level were checked. Induction of diabetes in experimental animal was carried out by administering alloxan monohydrate, 110 mg per milli. Blood glucose level of mice were checked again using a glucometer on the second day, 24 hours after alloxan injection. Mice were declared diabetic if they had blood glucose level of 200 until 260 milligram per 100 milli. Lindsay mushroom anti-diabetic test. Mice were weighed and each was numbered. 20 mice were randomly divided into 5 groups. Each group consists of 4 mice. The test animal used were Swiss Webster strain male mice, 2 and 3 months old, and weighing 20 until 30 grams. Okay, the last, blood sampling in mice. The tail of the mice is held with the right hand, allowing the front legs to grip the wire covering the cage. Pinch the neck of the mice with the left hand with the thumb and forefinger. And then move the tail clip from the right hand to the left hand, slightly pulled so that the skin on the abdomen tightens. And then the tail is then cut 1 until 2 centimeters from the base of the tail using skeezer. And then the flowing blood is then dripped into the glucometer strip. And the tip of the lateral fan is swept with an alcohol swab so that blood from the lateral fan doesn't come out. Okay, result my research. Table 1, average blood glucose level Lindsay mushroom ethanol extract. Group 1 CMC 1%, and then glibenclamide, Lindsay mushroom ethanol extract 10%, Lindsay mushroom ethanol extract 20%, and Lindsay mushroom ethanol extract 30%. Average blood glucose level in beginning, after alloxan induction, and after 24 hours of treatment. Okay, picture 1, measurement of anti-diabetic effects of Lindsay mushroom ethanol extract. Okay, table 2, ANOVA test result. Based on the table 2, the result of the ANOVA statistical test showed that there was a significant difference in blood glucose levels in all treatment, where the p-value totaled 0.05. Picture 2, percentage of the effectiveness of Lingzhi mushroom ethanol extract on blood glucose levels. Based on picture 2, the control group positive glibenclamide and the 3 concentration of Lingzhi mushroom extract in lowering blood glucose level varied. Where the control group positive glibenclamide had the effectiveness is 17%. 10% Lingzhi mushroom ethanol extract produces the best effectiveness is 22%. Followed by Lingzhi mushroom ethanol extract 30% is 23%. And Lingzhi mushroom ethanol extract 20% is 21%. Yeah, Lingzhi mushroom powder was extracted using the maceration method with the aim that the secondary metabolites in the sample could be perfectly extracted because maceration is one of the cold extraction techniques, so that the extraction process is expected to occur optimally. Studying aims to accelerate the process of dissolving chemical compound contained in the sample. The results of the phytochemical test of Lingzhi mushroom showed positive content of polysaccharide and triterpenoid compound, although the result obtained looked vague. This was probably due to the low content of the substance in the Lingzhi mushroom. Lingzhi mushroom contain polysaccharides and triterpenoid, which are chemicals that have anti-diabetic properties. Polysaccharides work by increasing serum insulin level, lowering blood glucose level, and improving glucose tolerance. The action of triterpenoid is to increase insulin secretory activity in the pancreatic islet. Okay, conclusion in my research, the ethanolic extract of Lingzhi mushroom, Ganoderma lucidum, has the activity of being able to reduce blood glucose level of male Swiss Webster mice, which were made hyperglycemic. Lingzhi mushroom ethanol extract 10% produce the best percentage of effectiveness in reducing blood glucose levels by 22% compared to positive control with a decrease in blood glucose levels by 17%. This research was supported by the Directorate Jenderal Pendidikan Tinggi, Dikti or the RPM Troch Simlitbmas as the research funder on program penelitian kerjasama antar perguruan tinggi PKPC with research contract number 065 SP2H ALT the RPM 2021. The author thanks to clinical chemistry laboratory team who had helped to carry out this research. Okay, thank you. That's all my presentation. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.